Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am in Laos, Buddha Park, Vientiane, and this is my fourth vlog from this place. Now, as I show you this place before, and this is the video in continuation. This temple is really very beautiful. If you want to see, you can have a look at my previous vlogs and my future vlogs also. Because this place is big, so I thought let's make one vlog for every floor. So this was one floor. Now I'm going down to show you other floors. This was one and this is another one. Yeah, so I'm here on another floor. For those of you who have visited my channel first time, I would like to tell you that I have traveled more than 66 countries around the world and counting. And this is in Laos. I have been here before, and now I am here. Right now, as you know, because of the pandemic, it's not safe to travel, so I'm staying here now. There's one more floor below. And I will show you it in my next vlog. So this is more interesting. Stay tuned guys for more interesting vlog. Bye for now.